Cruz! Huh? What's going on? It's time for your first race. What? Don't you remember today's the first race? Oh, well, I am, well, I'm on my way. Yo! Say, look at you go around here. The first one around there. Wait, she looks cool with that paint job on her, alright? You ready for your first race? I'm a little bit worried. It's okay, Cruz. I was worried on my first race. Wait. Something tells me I won't do well as you. Cruz. Jackson Storm may be faster than me, but I know you'll be faster than me. Now come on. Let's go. You got it then. Cruz. Storm. Why are you here? Oh, what make it? Cause you're so well in your first race. Whatever, Storm. But I am brave. I can do this, hopefully. That's if I can. I hope nothing bad. Mr. McQueen, who is this? Oh, let me introduce myself. My name's Derrick. I'm new around here. Yeah, I just met him a couple of minutes ago. He sounds good. He's gonna race. Oh. Sorry, wrong kid? Well, I'm worried. Like, there's a racer called Jack and Storm and I flipped over him and I'm worried. Will he crash me? Sorry, kiddo. About that, but listen here, kid. Just don't let that Storm get in your way. I used to be friends with him. After I found he's such a jerk, I decided to leave him. But listen here, kid. I used to be a racer in a different suit, but I had to quit Julie because I was placed, so I came to the Piston Cup. Listen here, kiddo. I know you will be faster than him. I'm sure you will. You sure? Of course I am. Oh, thanks. All right to the starting line, please. Let's do this. Derrick, no time, long scene. Whatever. If he's giving some confidence, this kid, it won't work. We see about that. Beep, 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 beep. Buggy, let's go racing, boys. Boy, and look at Cruz Ramirez. Man's going round the track, alright. Right, leading the pack. Go. And here they come to the finishing line. Night is going close. Who's going to win? And it's Cruz Ramirez for the win. What a great win. I did it. Well done, Cruz. Nice job, kiddo. I know you can win. So do you think you will take on some more races? Yes, I am. Wait, I think I can hear some screaming going on over at the trailer park. What is it? Guys, dear Cruz Ramirez and Derrick for giving you consequences. Wish to be brave. That's Storm, alright. That's Storm, alright. Right, but There's not to be afraid about racing, and hopefully I would do well.